Subscribe Science on YouTube for more videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Science on YouTube channel. Today our lecture is about the quadratic equation. I will solve the quadratic equation by doing one problem on that equation. So first, to define the quadratic equation, consider this an example of quadratic equation. Minus 15 is equal to 0. So quadratic is the type of equation in which the maximum variable power is equal to the 2, in which the maximum variable power when equal to 2 we call as the quadratic equation. Here in this case the maximum variable power is 2, so we take as the quadratic equation. Now solving this equation by quadratic method, minus 15 is equal to 0. So the equation, here I will define the quadratic formula first. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now what is a, what is b, and what is c in this equation? It's very important to know. A is that value which is written with the x square. So in this case it is 1. In this case it is 1. Here the b is unknown. B is that value which is with the x only with the x power 1, that value. So that is 2. And c is the constant. In this case it is equal to minus 15. C is a constant value. So putting all this value into this equation quadratic formula, we get the minus 2, b is equal to 2, so minus 2 plus minus b is equal to minus 2 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 15. By putting this value into a, so we get the minus 2. By solving this, 4 minus 15 into 15 plus and 15 into 16 divided by 2. This equation can be solved. Minus 2 plus minus 64 divided by 2. It means it can also be solved minus 2 plus minus into 8 divided by 2. Now this equation can be simplified now. This equation can be simplified now as x is equal to minus 2 plus the under root value is 8 here. So minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 2 minus 8 divided by 2. There are two values of x now. Because the square, the power is 2, so there will be two values. So one value is equal to the, by doing this we get the 6 divided by 2, it comes out to be 3, and one is x is equal to the minus 10 divided by 2, we get the minus 5. So these are the two values of the x. One is the x is equal to 3 and one is the x equal to minus 5. So by putting each value of x is equal to 3 and minus 5, the required answer will be equal to 0. Now let's to prove this. The x1 value is x equal to 3 and the other value is minus 5. So putting into this equation we get, first of all we are assuming to put the value of x is equal to 3. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So the left side will be equal to the right side. The x value is 3. 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 minus 15 is equal to 0. Means 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So it proves that the left side is equal to the right side. So this root is now true root. Now considering the minus 5 into this equation, minus 5, so minus 5 square plus 2 into minus 5 to minus 15 is equal to 0. We get the 25 minus 10 minus 15 is equal to 0. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. It means 0 is equal to 0. So these are the true roots. Minus 5 as well as the 3 is a proof that the left side is equal to the right hand side. So these roots are the true roots. You can watch more videos related to the quadratic equation by subscribing my channel Science on YouTube.